Well, I cut 2 of the solar panels off the roof. It was a 4 solar panel roof. And just used the same pieces that were there before to mount it. And we got some sun. Let's go check it out. It's a little bit cloudy. Mostly sun though. Yeah, I got a bit of clouds. Still moving though. Oh, clouds are starting to disappear. I can hear it speeding up. Yeah, we're going alright. Dude, that is not bad. And it's still cloudy too. This is probably half power, maybe even less. Oh, come on, clouds, get out of the way. Okay, which way is the sun? It's that way a little bit. How are you guys doing today? Let's go see the bird school. Oh, nice, dude. There used to be a house there years ago. Alright, I'm just gonna drive around until the sun comes out. Oh, I hear it speeding up. Come on, full sun, full sun. Dude, that is not bad. Totally impressed, man. Oh, more sun, more sun. So that's just 2 solar panels, like 400 watts, little tiny motor. Oh man, holy crap. I'm actually super impressed with that. I can't believe how fast this is going on this tiny motor. Man, that is really good. And I know I'm not overloading the motor now because these solar panels don't quite produce enough power for it to be at max power. So, yeah, this is just what it does. Oh, that is so good. Now, I'm not going crazy fast, just crazy fast for like a 1/3 horsepower, 1/4 horsepower, whatever it is. I think it's about a 1/3 horsepower. 350 watts. At least that's what the label says. And I know the solar panels won't go over 400, so. And I still have some clouds in the way. This will actually go faster still. Dude, that is so good. Holy crap. Now it could be that I had pretty low expectations. Still, man, this is really good. Now, if this motor and these gears can last, I'm pretty happy with this performance. So right now, this switch is way back there because that's where it was on these solar panels. Like I cut them in half back there. So originally that switch was up here somewhere where I could reach it. This whole thing was shifted forward. There are 2 more solar panels behind it. So I guess I just need to disconnect that switch, put it somewhere up here. Maybe I'll actually put it here. So it's easy to reach from this chair, but it's also easy to reach from the front. You know, just in case I'm up in the front. Okay, now we're getting some pretty good sun. I think this is pretty close to maximum power I'm gonna get out of the solar panels. I don't know, it's still a little bit A little bit cloudy, but yeah, this has got to be pretty close to full power. Man, look at how nice the water is today. Super clear. Oh, cloud. I can't believe how good this is going right now. I feel like there's got to be some kind of catch. Alright, this is going to get really shallow. I should turn off the propeller. Just so I don't hit the bottom with it. And actually, since the propeller only has 2 blades, I can get it oriented like this. So it's not down. Let me check it. Alright. Yeah, when I put these, oh crap, I just dropped my hat in the water. When I put these solar panels on, I just kind of twisted a couple wires on to get the motor connected, so I have to do some real connections. So I'm feeling the motor right now. I just drove for maybe 5 minutes and it's a little bit warm. It does not feel hot at all. That is excellent. Oh, if this works and lasts, doesn't overheat the motor or anything, I am gonna be so happy about this performance. Yeah, the propeller I made. Oh, it's working. It's working so well. Like, where's the catch? There's got to be some kind of catch here. Or did everything just come together right? Maybe it all just came together right. You know, I was thinking of not putting a battery on here, but if this thing's only going to use 350 watts, and it's going to go that fast at 350 watts, man, I could put one of those lithium batteries in here. 100 amp hour lithium battery. Run this thing for hours. If I put a battery in, then I need a charge controller and a speed controller. And yeah, screw the battery. Haha! Guess what I just found? This has got to be one of my favorite tools. It's like so satisfying. Alright, got switch up here. Put some screws on this side. Actually, I kind of like this because if I just have the back 2 screws connected, I can get up in there. If I really want to make sure this doesn't move, I can put it down on these front screws. What was the other thing I was supposed to? Oh yeah, put the pedals on there. Well, that's easy. Oh, and I also need to put something on this to make it stiff so it stays where I put it. It stays where I put it, but you know, a little bit of wind will move it around. Before I had some parts. Hopefully those are still good. These things, well, one's got one good side, one broken side. All right, do I have some test monkeys?
Yes.
All right. The pedals are on it too, yeah. But you guys off. I want to roar to test. You can be the test monkey. You off. Hey, ma'am. And this bungee cord. Just because. There, this bungee cord makes this stiff, so it stays where you put it. Doesn't really matter right now, it's pretty overcast, so. Alright, go test! Oh, you can get in, I'll push it back. Oh, I gotta put your pedal propeller down. Alright. Oh, get out of here. Oh yeah, you don't know how the motor works. See that switch right there?
Yeah.
You push it forward. Don't do it right now, because you're in really shallow water. But as soon as you start going, just because the boat's tipped back right now, it'll hit the bottom.
Ow!
Guys, chill.
Should I just drive around and come back to the
Alright,
beach?
throw her away. I don't know, just go. You mean drive around the whole island?
No, should I come
Yeah, just go drive
back
around.
to the beach or parking in the canal?
Come back here. Turn your switch on.
I think that's good.
It's pretty good, like almost no sun speed, and she's barely pedaling.
I want to go past.
Good.
I'm just going to go this way. Jaimie,
What?
can
What? What do you want?
I be on the boat with you?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna put this camera away though, because this one I don't. Alright, this is very cloudy. We're hardly getting any electricity to the motor, but it is still a noticeable help. Like it makes, yeah, I can tell the difference even just from that. Oh, totally, yeah. Yeah, I can definitely pedal all the way to town and back like this. I mean, I could do it with no motor help at all.
You should go to
But-
town.
Well, you want to go to town right now?
Yeah.
First, it's getting very windy, and I don't trust that weather when it starts getting windy.
Jaimie,
What?
could you go swimming right now?
No, we're not going swimming right now. We're gonna park and then we're gonna go swimming.
Stop yelling in my ear.
Yeah, we're going mighty slow now with no pedaling in this little sun, but we're still moving, which is kind of good.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's really overcast right now. There's hardly any sun at all. I'm impressed that we're still moving at all. Man, I hope whatever's going on right now with this boat lasts for a while. That would be great. Nice thing about having built the whole pedal thing is I should be able to repair just about everything except the gears in there, but those are pretty well made. I was thinking about welding these. Probably do that at some point, but the rivets are holding pretty well. Yeah, still pretty solid. Oh man, I really want to get a minute of sun just so I can show you guys how fast it goes. This morning I got some sun.